Hi, I'm Ellen from the Chili Dog. I'm working on one of my polarity socks, and today I'd like to demonstrate 3 ways to do a double decrease. I'll start with the left slanting double decrease that's used right here in the pattern. The slip, knit two together, pass over. Then I'll show you how to do its mirror right slanting double decrease and a vertical double decrease. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you enjoy our videos, consider joining the pack and becoming a member of thechilidog.com for ad-free access to our entire learning library, priority support, and more. We'll start with the left slanting double decrease, the SK2P. You slip a stitch knitwise, knit 2 stitches together, which makes those 2 stitches slant to the right. And then finally pass that slip stitched up and over, and it slants to the left. Now let's do a right slanting double decrease. The slip, slip, knit, slip, pass. We start with a regular slip, slip, knit. So slip 1 stitch knitwise, slip a 2nd stitch knitwise, and knit them together through the back. And that decrease slants to the left, but we'll move the new stitch from right to left, pass a loop over the top, and return it from the left to the right. And now the double decrease slants to the right. Finally, let's do a vertical double decrease, which is also sometimes known as a center double decrease because it doesn't slant either direction. It will stay vertical. And it can be abbreviated S2KP2 or just S2KP. You begin by slipping 2 stitches together knitwise, knit a stitch, and then we'll pass both of those 2 slip stitches together up and over. And the center stitch of the decrease is the one that we see, and it remains vertical. I hope you enjoyed learning how to do 3 types of double decreases. One that slants to the left, one that slants to the right, and one that stays vertical. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your knitting friends. If you'd like to try this technique in a pattern, head over to the shop section of thechilidog.com and look for our polarity socks. Until we stitch again, happy knitting!